Courier font was created in 1955 by Howard Kedler. The font later became one of the most well-recognized typefaces around the world. The font was originally designed for use on IBM Selectric typewriter, which was a highly successful line of electric typewriter that introduced by IBM in 1961. Courier is a monospace slab serif typeface family, a typical characteristic of the older typewriter that all characters are given the same amount of the space regardless of their width. It has offered in many ways such as Courier Regular, Courier Bold, Courier Italic, and Courier Bold Italic. Courier is known for its long bracket, tight spacing, stretched letter, wide serif, and some stroke variation. It also has been adapted to use as a computer font, and versions of it are installed in most desktop computers, which later called Courier New. As a monospace font, in 1990s, Courier found reuse in the electronic world in situations where columns of character must be consistently aligned, for instance, in coding. It has also become an industry standard for all screenplay to be written in 12-point Courier or closed variant. The 12-point Courier was also used for the US State Department standard typeface until January 2004, when it was replaced with 14-point Times New Roman. Reason for the change include the desire for more modern and legible font.